Come join me on my wonderful experience here at Harbor Island Park, kayaking and learning about the Recreation Department's new boating programs. Whether experienced or not, residents and guests this summer can enjoy kayaking in the Mamaroneck Harbor.
Tours are a new program we started last year.
Do you need to be an experienced kayaker to rent one of these kayaks?
If you want to rent a kayak, yes, you'd have to be an experienced kayaker, but if you'd like to join us for a kayak tour, it's really open to anyone because we'll teach you everything you need to know as we go along. I've taught people from 7 to, I want to say 87, regardless of age or gender. Everyone seems to be able to get out there and have some fun.
The Recreation Department is offering a wide range of kayaking experiences.
We do a couple different things with the tours. We have what's called kayak classes, and that's a grouping of 4 tours, and it's a session that you can sign up for through the Recreation Department. And then we also have individual tours, which are a 4-person minimum, and they're an hour and a half each. And then they're $25 a person. The areas that people can go to are great because they vary from, places like Hen Island and the coast of Oriental, which are farther out on the Sound, to places like Otter Creek and Guyon Creek, which are more nature areas.
For the more inexperienced kayaker, a tour is led by a kayak instructor, as well as supervised by a lifeguard.
During the weekend, we allow people to kayak right out here around the boom, and that's $10. It's a half hour, and it's supervised by the lifeguards. So that's a great experience for people that haven't been out on the water before, and then they generally venture out into going out on a tour off the coast a little bit farther. But it's really great for anyone that wants to get out there, and it's a great first experience as well.
And for those who feel comfortable, only $25 gets you an hour and a half to explore the waters on your own.
As a kayak rental is for someone that's kayaked before and can prove some general kayak knowledge to us before we let them go off on the water on their own to wherever they'd like to go. The entire program's run through the Village of Mamaroneck Recreation Department, so the best way is to reach out to the office, and they can help you with any needs you have in regards to helping you decide what you'd like to do, or if you want to sign up directly, they can help you with all of that.
Is this just a seasonal thing, or is this happening all year?
Anyone that wants to set up a kayak tour or a rental for a kayak, it can be done between April and November, but the Saturday and Sunday kayak rides are during the beach season. The beach opens May 27th, which is the Friday before Labor Day, and it runs straight through Labor Day. So if you see it's a nice day during the weekend, you're more than welcome to just come by for a kayak ride. If you're looking to do something that's more off-land or a farther distance or on your own, the best bet is to call us ahead of time so we can make sure we're prepared for you and make sure there's room in the classes that you want to sign up for. But like I said, if it's nice, come by and do a kayak ride.
I hope you enjoyed today's tour and are ready for a kayaking adventure of your own. To learn more, you can visit the Village of Mamaroneck's Recreation Department's Facebook page, or you can call them at 914-777-7784. I'm Marcella Milder with The Local Live.